Happy New Year, sir. Happy New Year.
President.
All the way.
The complaint in Jigawa was that there's a bumper harvest, but because of the strength of our currency, the harvest is being exported out. So most of us are encouraging ourselves to buy bumper stocks into our silos, store them for the rainy day. So in terms of agriculture, the policy is working. We'll continue to deepen that and make sure we're not just 100% sustained in food security, but we feed the whole of West Africa. That's the target. And the security front, I say congratulations. Things are changing. It shows that the government is on the attack. Security is improving. Well done, sir. We'll continue to encourage you. And all the states also will continue to contribute to our local security architecture to make sure things fare better. On the political front, you can see political parties of different, Delta is here from PDP, Kano is here from NMPP. We're working together. Enugu State is here as well. So, and of course, PGF chairman with his strong delegation. So we're working together. It is one Nigeria, sir. We have a target. We all have the same target. Progress, prosperity, sir. So we'll continue to work in that direction and to make sure we support you, we support each other. We're going on with our peer reviews in many cases and making sure that we deliver in our various states to the people, the mandate. I would say, confess that I have not done 2 years in this administration, but I've done more projects in my less than 2 years and in the 4 years of my first term. And that is due to the structural adjustment program you're doing. Restructuring the economy means that we're getting more funding. Yes, there's inflation, but what we're getting overrides the inflation, and we're delivering a lot. As this year begins, I know for sure you'll be visiting many states, and you'll see firsthand the transformation going on at subnational level. You'll be proud of what you see in various states. You've come to Lagos State, you've seen how Lagos has changed. People marveled at the transformation in Lagos. The blue line, red line oncoming. Yes, it's fantastic, but same is going on in each and every state in Nigeria. If you go to Delta, Rivers, they're building infrastructure that is unimaginable in terms of road infrastructure, even though their budget dwarfs our budgets, but they're delivering, sir. So we're all delivering. All the states are delivering. All hands on deck. We'll continue to support you in office and say we wish you a very good year and continue with the programs for Nigeria. Thank you very much, sir.
Happy New Year to every one of you. Happy New Year. I am happy, and I believe you are. We just pray to Almighty Allah to continue to grant us this joy and sustainability of good health and bring about more prosperity to our people. Yes, we are surrounded. We have a situation clamoring. I'm glad that I asked for this job, and the job was given to me. The mandate was given to me by Nigerians. And I will be on this voyage together. I thank all of you for where we are today and where we are headed. Nigeria will see prosperity as expected. there's progress in this. To all of you, the governors, we have no choice but do well. Yes, I could pick from the remark of the chairman of Governor's Forum about the commodity challenge versus the currency challenges that is ravaging Jigawa, Kano, and some other areas. Yes, it means we just have to work harder and grow more. And the situation of our currency will improve. And the elastic limit and the economic variables will determine how far individual could go. Storage, get belay, greed. As long as we work hard, you are the most important. I hate to continue to spell this out. My held on is about 30-35%. The rest, money comes to you. And the agricultural value chain will depend on all of you. You own the land. Whatever I'm doing in agriculture is just a mere help to stimulate food production. The job is in your hands. Well, from this day, that's okay for them to recognize what they have considered as a failure initially is now a success. With us, we have no choice. Subnational, particularly. No, I will not fight within us. No. I will drive that change as I wish it. You have the control of your local governments. Do what you expected of grassroots effectiveness and restoration of their hope is in your hand. There's nothing, no one is among us on all these tiers of government. There was some gossip that maybe we had a disagreement or quarrel and everything when it was local government's autonomy. No. Just drive the development down there to the local government authorities. Nobody wants to take the control away from you. But collaboration, let's do it together and make sure Nigeria is better off from it. And I assure you, I'm open, I will continue to be open. I have no choice because I asked for this job. And you supported me for the mandate. And I want to win more. And through it, we will drive the changes necessary. and bring about that prosperity for this country. And take responsibility for whatever we do. There is no one that is more brilliant than us. We are very good people. And we are all over the world, Nigerians. So it's in your hand to build a proud nation. There should be no state that we go to and not able to be proud of development. There shouldn't be. Better allocations in terms of the revenue. I take the abuse, but you take the privilege. Let's move on together. I thank you very, very much. God bless you. Happy New Year.